Super excited about the Cutest Crew interactive card that we're going to make this month. We're going to start by stamping the best day, have the best day. And I'm using Azure Afternoon, and we're going to just stagger and alternate this word phrase. And then when we get to the fourth line, I'm going to use the Memento ink. And then I'm going to go back after I clean it off, and I'm going to re-ink and stagger have the best day with Azure Afternoon ink. All the way down, I'm leaving quite a bit of space in between. You don't have to have it real tight, and it looks really great. And you can just see how nice that looks. Now we're going to stamp the inside of the card with Happy Birthday, centering it, and then the two pieces of Azure Afternoon Designer Series paper, we're going to just stagger that, and then I'm just coloring in, dotting the butterflies with the light Azure Afternoon blends. And then we're ready to go ahead and attach those pieces. You cut 4 of them, 2 of them are going to be on the opposite side, and now we're going to go ahead and attach this to the inside of the card. And you'll notice that I mentioned that we cut in 1 1/4 inches on both sides to create that panel. And then I'm just adjusting that piece onto the black cardstock, and then we're centering it, attaching those 2 pieces of Designer Series paper. And then we're going to go ahead and attach that really nice black piece that's going to be the center for the anchor, I should say, for those pieces, and allow it to kind of lift up. And then I'm putting that piece of cardstock down as well. And then to do these cats, I colored in with the blends. We're going to cut those 2 little pieces off on the end so that we can make that entire strip the whole focal point of the card. And I'm just using the blends to color them in. I use the dark blends and light blends in combination, as well as the lifter. So right now I'm taking the Azure Afternoon light, and I'm coloring in these little kittens with the crumb cake. I decided to go ahead and outline with the dark crumb cake, and then we're going to color in with light crumb cake, and that's going to blend the colors together. And I'm using the brush tip to do that. And then I'm going to use the color lifter to just lift a little bit of the color. And I just love how that lifter also fixes any of the mistakes that you might make. And then I'm just going to take my snips, trim around it, and then we'll be able to anchor that on both sides of the longer strip that I cut out and stamped. And I'm just using the small dimensionals, the mini dimensionals, to lift that up and center that onto the card. And then after I get those other 2 little pieces on there, we'll use those rhinestones to accent. And there you have it. That's all there is to this quick and easy card. And I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next month with our next project.